रमदान करीम टू यू ऑल। रमदान के इस महीने में सबकी मुराद पूरी हो, सबको मिले ढेरों खुशियाँ। दोस्तों, रमदान मुबारक हो आप सबको। A warm greeting on this occasion of Ramadan. May God bless you with a happy and peaceful month. May your fasting and prayers be accepted in this holy month. Amen. Let us all pray to God to help the people who observe Ramadan without the suhoor to begin with the fast, nor the iftar to break the fast. Let us all pray to ease their hardship. Shukran. Hello and welcome to my channel once again, Sawan Vlogs. Today I am going to share a few things which I know about Ramadan. Ramadan is a month of periodic fasting, which is the holiest way of cleaning your body, mind and soul. Ramadan falls on the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar. It always begins 10 to 12 days earlier each year. Muslims fast during this period. Exception of pregnant women, nursing moms, elderly and weak people, children and people who are sick or traveling for long journeys. These are exempted for non-fasting. The holy month of fasting begins and ends with the sighting of the crescent moon. Ramadan is one of the holiest months from the whole year. For Muslims, Ramadan is the month of sacrifice and devotion. Prayers with faithful intentions, refraining from sinful acts like cursing, lying, etc. Muslims spend extra time in reading the Holy Quran and performing special prayers. The entire Holy Quran is also recited during special prayers in the mosque. There are 5 mandatory prayers performed. The first prayer, yani first namaz, called Fajr prayers. This begins at the beginning of the dawn, very before the sunrise. The second prayer is called Zuhur prayer, which is performed at the midday. The third prayer is during the evening, called Asr prayer. The fourth prayer is at the evening, called Maghrib prayer. The fifth prayer is called Isha prayer, which is performed at night. So, these are the 5 prayers where every Muslim is obligated to pray. Suhoor is the first meal or breakfast which is taken before the dawn. The fast starts after the first namaz is performed. So before the prayer, they will eat the breakfast or small meal which is called as suhoor. The popular way of breaking the fast is eating dates. But there is no such hard and fast rule. You can break the fast even with some light food or fruit. Why people choose dates? What is so special about it? Yes, my dear viewers, dates are packed with health benefits such as natural sugar, high in fiber, excellent for digestion, vitamins, nutrition and more. That's the reason why people prefer to have dates to break the fast. The sunset Maghrib prayers is performed. After the sunset prayers, the Muslim families or friends all gather together in their homes or mosque, sit together and have their dinner, or it is called as iftari. The common practice in Ramadan is inviting or getting invited for the iftar. I have seen many mosques giving the iftari to all the people who comes to the mosque for prayers, where all Muslims break their fast together. It is like some committee coming together and hosting dinner for the people who desire to eat together like a family. In this period of Ramadan, many Muslims gives charity for poor and those who are needy. Or in other words, you can say this holy month is for generosity and giving, act of kindness and being helpful to all. Some will volunteer to help in fundraising towards the good cause. For a true Muslim, the end of Ramadan is not the end, but the start of a new journey, leading towards peace and harmony. Once again, Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Mubarak.